Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we create account and now we connect packages image picker, photo manager and cache network image. Then we add permissions to Android, main Android manifest and add permissions to iOS runner info list. And now we open lib, data, models, API models, and we add verify OTP response .dart, write class, write verify OTP response, write final, write login status. Then you write final, write user credential, next we add constructor, write required, write this, status, write this user credential, save, add verify OTP response to index.dart. Next we open domain models, add verify OTP data model, .dart, write class, write final, write login status, write status, write final, write user credential, and we add constructor, write required, write this status, then we write required this user credential, add verify OTP data model to index.dart, save, then we open service, Firebase service and update verify OTP and we add try catch. Write return, add verify OTP response, write status, write login status dot fileet, save, write final, result, write if, write result, write user, check not null, write return, write verify OTP response, write login status dot successful. And we add user credential, write result, and we write else, save, then we open repository, write verify OTP data model, write final, write result, and we write return, write verify OTP data model, write result dot status. Save, open blocks, login block. Then we check user credential. And now we open data service and we add Firebase Firestore service.dart, write class, write Firebase Firestore service, write final, Firebase Firestore, add import, write Firestore, write Firebase Firestore service, then we write this Firestore, and we add function add user info, save, then we open service bootstrapper, write registration register factory and write Firebase Firestore service, write Firebase Firestore, write Firestore, save, and we use register factory. Save, and now we add Firebase storage service, write Firebase storage service.dart, write class, Firebase storage service, write final, write Firebase storage, add constructor, and now we add function upload file, add import, then we add function delete file, and then we open service bootstrapper, write Firebase storage, dot instance, add Firebase storage service, write export, write export, save, and now we open repository, add Firebase Firestore repository, .dart, write class, and we write final, write Firebase Firestore service, write Firestore service, write Firebase Firestore repository, write this dot Firestore service, and we add function add user info. Save, open index.dart, write export, add Firebase Firestore repository to index.dart, and then we add Firebase storage repository .dart, write class, write Firebase storage repository, and then we write final, write Firebase storage service, add constructor, write this, and we add function upload file and delete file. Save, add export, save, open repository bootstrapper, write register factory, write Firebase Firestore repository, write get, write Firebase Firestore service, write register factory, write Firebase storage repository, write get, write Firebase storage service, save, and now we open blocks, login, open login block, then we add Firebase Firestore repository, and we add Firebase storage repository, then we write this, write Firebase Firestore repository, write Firebase storage repository, and now we open login event, and we add two events. Add save user information and upload avatar. Then we open login state, add avatar image, username, is loading upload avatar image, and is filed upload avatar. And now we generate information, and we add events, save user information, and upload avatar. save, and now we add event save user information. Add import. Open file. Constants. This information we can download to description in the video. Add parameters. Username and avatar image. Save. Next event upload avatar. Save. Open PubSpec YAML. Save. And now we select Flutter pub-get. Add import. And now we open auth and we add file. Create account .dart. Now we write class, write create account, write extends, write status widget. Then we add build, add constructor. Convert status widget to stateful widget. Next we add return, write scaffold. And we add variables, write final. Add text editing controller. Write user name controller. Write text editing controller, write final, write text editing controller, write about me controller, write text editing controller, and we add variable form key, add global key, write from state, write dispose, write username, dispose, write about me controller, dispose, save. And now we add background color, add variable, write final, write color them, write them of context, write custom dot color them, write color them background color, and now we add widget up bar. Write up bar, add body, add widget column, add parameter main axis alignment space between children, and we add widget info, add import, add color them, add context, then you write save area, and we add next button, add import, write context, save, and we add block listener, write login block, write login state, write listener, write state, write maybe map, and we add successful create account, write async, write error create account, add import, save, and we open verification screen, add create account, and we update create account screen, save, open index.dart, write export, add create account screen, and we open login block, and need add to shared preferences phone number. We use init state, phone number, save, and now we open emulator and test our works. Write art programs, write web and mobile, developer, select next, Open Firebase console, Firestore database, and we can look information. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.